In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a OneNote notebook. Think of this as creating a clean duplicate that you can share or use as a template. While there isn't a single duplicate button in the web version, it's quick to set up a fresh notebook, mirror the structure you want, and then share a link to that notebook so others can access your copy. Start by opening your browser and going to OneNote.cloud Microsoft. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new notebook. Click Create New Notebook. Give it a clear, recognizable name, something like Copy of Project Notebook, so you can easily tell it apart from the original. Creating a new notebook is the foundation of your copy, and naming it thoughtfully will save you confusion later. Next, begin shaping the notebook to match what you want to replicate. Add a section. Sections act like tabs along the top or left, great for organizing by topic, project phase, or team. After that, add a page inside the section. Pages are where the actual notes and content live. So think of them as individual documents within a folder. If your original notebook had a specific layout like a planning section with pages for ideas, tasks, and references, you can recreate that structure here by adding sections and pages in the same pattern. This keeps your copy consistent and easy to navigate. Now type a note on the new page to kick things off. This serves two purposes. It confirms the notebook is active and syncing, and it gives you a starting point. You can type fresh content or paste text and images from your original notebook if you're rebuilding a copy. If you're using the copy as a template, a short welcome note or checklist can be a helpful guide for anyone who opens it. When your notebook looks the way you want, head to the top right and click Share. This is how you give others access to your copy. In the Share dialog, click Copy Link to Notebook. OneNote will generate a link you can paste into an email, a chat, or your project tracker. Depending on your organization's settings, you may notice options that control whether people can view or edit. Just be aware of what your environment allows. After you've copied the link, you're done. You've created a fresh notebook, set up its structure, and captured a link so others can open your copy instantly.